The perfect YouTube video script outline. Search plus retention plus authority plus watch time. This structure is especially strong for educational, vlog, creator tip, coaching, acting, and teach while storytelling videos, which is exactly your lane. The goal is hook the click immediately, create curiosity, deliver value fast, keep retention high, increase watch time, create binge behavior, lead naturally into the next video. 1. The hook. Purpose. Stop the scroll immediately. This is not, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." This is a bold promise, a problem, a transformation, a curiosity gap, emotional identification. Formula. You're struggling with X because of Y, and today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Or, if you've ever wondered why your videos aren't getting views, or, I wasted 2 years doing this wrong on YouTube. Example, your style. Actors. If you keep staring at your screen saying, "I don't know what to post," this video might completely change your channel. 2. The preview, open loop. Purpose. Create anticipation so viewers stay. Tell them what they'll learn, what's coming later, what transformation they'll get. Formula. By the end of this video, stay to the end because... Example. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from 0 ideas to a finished YouTube video using ChatGPT, CapCut, and simple beginner systems. 3. Quick intro, brand positioning. Purpose. Establish trust fast. Keep this short. People clicked for them, not your biography. Include who you are, why they should trust you, emotional relatability. Example. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actress rebuilding multiple channels from scratch in real time. And on this channel, I share what's actually working. 4. The relatable story, problem. Purpose. Emotion plus connection plus retention. Sean Cannell teaches, people stay for stories. Before teaching, show the struggle. Example. For the longest time, I thought successful creators just magically had ideas all day long. Then, your mistake, frustration, turning point, realization. This creates emotional investment. 5. The framework, main lesson. Purpose. Deliver the promise. This section should feel organized, visual, actionable, easy to follow. The best structure for this section: Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Or Mistake 1, Mistake 2, Mistake 3. Why? Because viewers psychologically relax when information feels structured. Perfect teaching flow. For each section, A. State the point. Here's the first mistake. B. Explain it simply. Teach like a coach. C. Show an example. Examples increase retention massively. D. Add visual. Change B-roll, zoom, graphic, screen recording, caption, photo movement. VRA emphasizes pattern interrupts every few seconds. 6. Pattern interrupts, entire video. Purpose. Prevent viewer fatigue. Every 5 to 15 seconds, something changes. This can be zoom angle, graphic, B-roll, music, shift, text, screenshot, humor, sound effect, pause, emotional beat. 7. Mid-video re-engagement, around 40 to 60%. Purpose. Wake viewers back up. Most people forget this. Example. By the way, this next part is where most creators accidentally kill their retention. Or, this is the exact moment I realized I'd been making videos backwards. 8. The payoff, transformation, final 20%. Purpose. Show the result. People need emotional closure. Answer. What happens if I do this? Example. So now instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, I can literally go from idea to edited video in one afternoon. 9. The CTA. Last 20-30 seconds. Purpose. Create the next action. Do not randomly say, like, comment, subscribe. Instead, transition naturally. Perfect CTA formula. A. Reference this video. If this helped you. B. Lead to next video. Then this video right here is the next thing you should watch. C. Reinforce identity. Because actors are capable of building successful channels. 10. End screen strategy. Purpose. Increase session time. The next video should feel like part 2 emotionally, not random. Bonus. The VRA value stacking method. Sean Cannell's ecosystem works because value keeps escalating. A strong video constantly gives insight, clarity, emotional connection, proof, visuals, examples, momentum. The viewer should feel, I'm getting so much useful stuff here. The perfect high-retention flow hook. Open loop, quick intro, story, problem, step-by-step value, visual pattern interrupts, mid-video re-engagement, transformation, CTA to next video. What kills retention? Avoid long intros, rambling, over-explaining repeating points, static visuals, weak audio, no emotional connection, no story, giant blocks of uninterrupted talking.